This classic Chinese takeout dish gets even better when you make it at home.
Tender chicken and vegetables, stir-fried in a classic Chinese sauce with toasted cashews.
So good, and it comes together in a matter of minutes.
Oh, after one bite, you will tear up those takeout menus.
Rip it up!
I don't know if what we have is we have a drawer.
We do. I think everyone does that.
It's a takeout menu drawer.
Yeah, and you'll never do that. I love takeout. But I'm telling you guys, this is the real deal. You're going to love
great.
it. This is so good. So we're going to start off. We've got a little trick here. We've got raw cashews, obviously, is an important ingredient in cashew chicken.
Yes.
So we've got raw cashews. We found that if we toast them or roast them ourselves.
Are they called raw?
They are raw. If you go to the store, you can find raw. A lot of times
Or
they're
just non-roasted?
Yeah, well, they're raw. I mean, they're fresh. They haven't already been roasted.
There you go.
I find them in my, over like in the whole nuts and dried fruit section, which is usually near the produce section. If you can't find them, of course, you can use bottled roasted cashews. It's just, there's something
I love
about...
that. So you don't even put any oil or anything
you're roasting them yourself.
Kind of like... what are those, like nuts, like chestnuts or something?
Yeah, like over hot fire. Anyway, okay, let's talk chicken.
So I've got, is that a pound of chicken, Chris?
That is.
That's a pound of chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, skinless, boneless chicken thighs. And we're gonna kind of marinate them in this sauce. And I've got a tablespoon of, yes, this is Shashing cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine. Oh, sorry. That was not Shashing cooking wine. That was soy sauce. A tablespoon of soy sauce. I thought that smelled funny. And then I've got a tablespoon of Shashing cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine.
There we go.
There we go. I got it right.
Yeah.
And then, I thought that was oyster sauce for some reason.
No, that goes in the sauce that we do later.
Oh, okay. And now I've got sesame oil, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and then I have some cornstarch, which will give it a nice crust, I guess, not a crust.
No, it just helps. It helps in making the sauce
and that's
a little
teaspoon of the cornstarch. Wow, I'm having some troubles today.
I tell you, this is going to be done by the time you finish.
I know. Here we go. And I'm just going to mix this all together, and we're going to let this sit for a little bit. How are those doing?
These are good.
Oh, those are going good.
Yeah, these take about 3 to 5 minutes until they just get nice and toasty.
Or how long it takes for me to talk.
I know. I could have made the whole dish by this point.
So we're going to let this sit for a little bit.
Yeah, you want those flavors just to permeate the chicken. Not a ton of time, like 15 to 30, even 20 minutes, and you're going to be good.
Perfect.
Okay, so see, look at these. Aren't these beautiful?
Those look great.
They're just nice and toasted. They're really toasted. Okay, so now we've got this that was a work of mastery for you to put together. That's been in there for about 20 minutes. I got my wok. Again, if you don't have a wok, no worries. You can do this in a skillet, but you want it over nice high heat. And I'm going to leave this kind of undisturbed for a couple of minutes because that's going to form like a little bit of a crust on the bottom, which is super
I love
yummy.
That. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to make the sauce that has the oyster sauce. But I'm going to start with this. I've got half a cup of chicken stock.
You can use vegetable stock if you want, or broth.
Now I've got 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce.
Yay! If you don't have oyster sauce, you can find easily in the, but if you can use hoisin, or you can order it online.
And then I've got a tablespoon of dark soy sauce.
So dark soy sauce gives it a deeper, that really glossy, deeper color, and it gives it kind of like an umami flavor.
Love it.
It's something that's not as easy to find. You can easily order it online from your Asian market, or just use regular.
This is regular soy sauce.
Regular soy sauce.
Yes, I got a teaspoon of regular soy sauce. So I've got dark and I've got regular.
A tablespoon.
A tablespoon. Sorry about that. I've got a tablespoon of some.
See now I churn that. See how it's kind of got those little.
I love that.
I know.
This was a tablespoon of brown sugar. I've got a tablespoon of cornstarch. Once again, that's a running theme through Chinese cooking.
That is what's really going to make that sauce really glossy and just delicious.
And then I've got a teaspoon of white pepper. And I'm just going to stir this all up until all of that cornstarch is dissolved.
And the white pepper just, again, gives it another depth of flavor. If you don't have white pepper on hand, you could just skip it or use black pepper. Oh, the smell already is amazing.
That's awesome.
This comes, now remember, stir fry, like we said, comes together in a matter of minutes. So you're going to want to make sure you've got all of your components. Your mise en place is in place because you don't want to have time to go stop and chop a bell pepper.
Exactly.
All right, this only takes a few minutes, and then we're ready to carry on.
Awesome.
Okay, so isn't that chicken beautiful?
That is gorgeous.
Literally
chicken.
took just a few minutes, and so I just removed it from the wok or the skillet, and now I'm going to heat up a couple of tablespoons of preferably peanut oil. Canola oil is fine. Sunflower seed or sunflower oil I use a lot. Okay, this is a tablespoon of minced garlic and a tablespoon of minced fresh ginger. Classic flavors for stir fry. Now this is what the part that really comes together quickly.
Yeah, you gotta move fast.
You do. You know, you want to have your wok on piping hot temperature, but you don't want it so hot that it's going to burn that garlic.
No,
so this is good. No. So this only takes about 30 seconds. Now we've got. Now I'm going to crank it really up.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm going to get it way high.
What do you need?
So now we're going to add some vegetables. These are all optional, whatever you like. That's green bell pepper that we've seeded. And that's a red bell pepper that we've seeded.
And I'm going to do just a little bit of
Just do like, these are like 3 scallions that we cut kind of chunky. And you're going to leave.
There you go.
There you go. And then they're going to go into the stir on top as kind of like a garnish, if you will.
Yeah.
So, okay. So now this doesn't take long. We love cooking Asian food.
I do. I will.
We don't do it near enough.
Gobble it up.
I know, that's the thing is you eat it. But this is a lot of times.
And you don't have to use a wok, right? You can use like a cast iron skillet.
Yeah, I said that before.
Oh.
You can absolutely.
You know what? I haven't been here, so.
You've been a little out of the loop. That's all right. So anyway, okay. So I think that this is getting really close. You know, you can depends on how soft you like your vegetables.
I like a little al dente with my.
Yeah, a little. You want a little bite to them.
Can I
yeah,
add in
go
the
ahead and put that chicken in there.
That gorgeous chicken. That is so good looking.
It is. This. I'm telling you this. Oh yeah, make sure you get all those juices. So now we're going to when it really the flavor. The smell is going to so give that a good stir and make sure that cornstarch is well dissolved.
Yeah.
And we're going to add that on in.
All right.
And this is when the fun begins. And it makes just the sauce that is to die for.
Wow.
So
it just gets thicker.
You can instantly smell it. Yeah. So that cornstarch will start to do its job and make that like silky and creamy. So this only takes it doesn't take long at all, just a few minutes, and then we'll stir in the cashews and then we eat. Look at that. Look at that.
Unbelievable.
So you want the classic cashew chicken should have that just silky coating over the chicken. Now we're going to take these beautifully roasted cashews.
Oh my stars, those look so good. Oh, coat those cashews.
No, I always ever since we've been eating Chinese food, I've always loved dishes that have cashews in them.
Yes.
I'll even like dishes that don't traditionally have cashews. I'll request for extra.
Totally.
But now but you're going to be like, well, why even order takeout? You're going to tear up that takeout menu.
Oh,
all right,
gosh.
you ready?
All right, I'm ready.
My mouth
so
is
ready. Here, sorry.
salivating.
There we go. Yay!
Beautiful. And it's such a pretty plate, too.
Yeah, a little more there.
Yeah, a little more, please.
Wow. Oh, here, let me bring this guy down. You do that.
Just a little bit of some garnish, just because it's so nice.
There you go.
Okay, here we go.
That is gorgeous.
This is one of my favorite dishes.
I am.
I know.
Can't wait to eat this, y'all.
Oh, that sauce. I know. Okay.
I could eat Chinese food day in and day
I know,
out.
especially when it's like this.
Yes.
So now Wesley's using fork chops. I have a
Fork chops.
Fork chops. Isn't that like an army base? Fork chops.
That's so funny.
Chopsticks.
Yes, fork chops.
But neither of us are doing very well in the English language.
All right, you're killing me. All right, are you ready?
Yes, I'm sorry. Sauce is to die for.
And right out of that wok,
Oh, so good.
you guys, oh,
Wow.
I could just dive right into this.
Chicken is so tender. And the flavor.
I'm gonna eat all the
I
chicken.
know how. And those cashews, you really can taste the difference with the cashews. They have that smoky kind of delicious flavor. Wow. Yeah, you have something to say?
I wish I could say this in Mandarin. Maybe I'll use like translator real quick on this. But anyway, it's 100,000% Loon-approved.
Yay!
So good.
Oh, I'm gonna give it 10 million. This is my favorite.
So good. The cashews, I love the crunch of the cashew.
It's so much fun. The hardest part of this is getting everything prepped. Then once you've done that,
Yeah,
it
it's a
comes together.
30-minute meal, but a hour-long prep.
All right, you guys, make cashew chicken. You're gonna love it. We promise. If you
Do it! Oh,
If you do, let us know what you think.
so good. It is so good. Do it, do it, do
So
it.
good. All right, bye
All right.
everybody. We love you.
Ciao for now.